Yung favorite movies ng mama at papa niyo na gustong-gusto niyong panoorin or someday you would like to, I hope I can do that as a role?
Tapos sabihin mo yung pangarap mo, ano gusto mo?
Wag ganun, hindi. Yung favorite movie ko ng nanay ko is Jezebel. Jezebel for sure. And in regards to my dad, would have to be, mahirap yan kasi it's either Kailangan Kita or Bagets. Either one or the other.
Okay. Andres, your
Para
favorite?
sa akin, my favorite movie ng tatay ko ay ano to, Kailangan Kita rin, pero Dubai. Dubai talaga.
Okay, yes.
And
For your mom?
for my mom naman, the original mermaid. Diba?
Jezebel.
Jezebel. Kasi dati, nung bata kami, she used to always tell us na, oh, I'm really a mermaid, guys. Mermaid talaga ako. So kami naman, we believed it. So,
Hindi ko sinasabi sa kanila na fake pala yun. So pinapanood ko sa kanila yung pelikulang Jezebel para maniwala sila na Jezebel talaga ako. Pero hindi pala.
Okay, thank you very much.
thank you.